A well-funded startup is reporting a breakthrough to help humanoid robots walk into any home and start helping immediately. 1X Technologies just introduced its new Redwood model, powering its neo-humanoid robots. They're racing to scale to millions of AI-powered robots into homes, amid rapid-fire developments in the humanoid robotics market. As its competitor Figure reports significant progress toward general-purpose robotics, Tesla's Optimus is marching forward amid leadership changes, and leading Chinese robotics firm Unitree is on the verge of going public. 1X founder Bernt Bornich says, for the first time, Neo moves, understand, and interacts seamlessly in complex human environments. The 160 million parameter transformer model combines vision, touch, and body movement data. It's trained on a mix of teleoperated and real-world actions from its Neo and Eve humanoid robots. It runs fully onboard, with no cloud connectivity needed. 1X, which was founded in 2014 in Norway and is now headquartered in Sunnyvale, shared this footage, shot in Redwood, California, to showcase the new capabilities. According to the startup, the Redwood neural network enables this Neo-Gamma robot to pick up objects it's never seen before, even in new places and messy environments. The model unlocks human-like behaviors. While most robots treat walking and using their limbs as two separate things, Redwood controls everything at once. Neo robots now move their whole bodies to get things done just like humans. They decide on their own whether to use their left or right hand or both. Of course, Neo robots are ambidextrous by design, so it's based on logic rather than hardwired into their systems. 1X says the model is perfect for households because it works even if there's no internet connection. However, at this point, Redwood requires cloud connectivity to process verbal commands, but not for action execution. The startup says the model is early in its development, but improving thanks to real-world data collection. The AI also works on 1X's legacy humanoid robot, Eve, which was introduced in 2018 and went viral last year thanks to popular streamer Kai Cenat. 1X has begun testing its humanoids in real homes, starting with 1X employees who've shared clips of the robots performing household chores on social media. The startup plans to scale production of its next-generation robots in 2026, with a goal of manufacturing 100,000 units by 2028 and scaling into the millions from there. 1X has differentiated itself in the humanoid robotics race by targeting home deployment first rather than industrial applications. Its competition includes Silicon Valley-based Figure AI, which is reporting fast progress with its self-developed Helix AI system. Figure has two major customers, BMW and an unnamed logistics company, and plans to start home testing later in 2025. The startup just shared an hour-long demo of one of its flagship humanoid robots performing sorting tasks in real time. On social media, founder Brett Adcock noted the robot makes some mistakes, but those are going down as Figure's humanoids collect data from real-world actions. Increasing training data from 10 to 60 hours boosted barcode success from 88 to 94% and improved handling speed by 58%. Helix learns subtle actions, like patting down wrinkled plastic to flatten a barcode, from demonstration data. The system keeps a short-term memory of what it's seen recently to avoid repeating actions. It remembers recent body positions to maintain fluid, continuous motion. This enables on-the-fly corrections when a grasp fails or a package shifts. Figure robots use a single neural network to control tasks from just camera input. Individual robots can share what they learn with their whole fleet, like an AI robot hive mind. During a recent interview with Bloomberg Technology, founder Adcock didn't confirm but didn't push back on reports that Figure is raising $1.5 billion for a nearly $40 billion valuation. The startup aims to manufacture 100,000 of its next-generation humanoids in the next 4 years. Meanwhile, in China, Unitree Robotics is laying the groundwork for public listing. Founded in 2016, Unitree is experiencing a growth spurt as its quadrupedal and humanoid robots become ubiquitous. The company recently opened its new 10,000 square meter factory in Hangzhou, near its corporate headquarters, and is building out branch locations. Going public could give Unitree access to lucrative contracts from large enterprises and governments that often prefer or require public listings for perceived transparency and financial stability. According to the South China Morning Post, Unitree restructured from a limited liability company to a joint stock limited company in late May 2025. The conversion, which means Unitree can issue and transfer shares, is widely interpreted as positioning the company for an IPO in mainland China or Hong Kong. Unitree is reportedly raising funding for a valuation of up to $2 billion. Analysts note that Unitree is preparing to mass-produce its humanoids in 2025, which requires a capital-intensive scale-up. Unitree would be the second Chinese robotics firm focused on humanoids to go public. Shenzhen-based UBTech Robotics debuted on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange back in December 2023, with its Walker series leading the company's humanoid lineup. Back in the US, Tesla just lost a key figure in its Optimus humanoid robot project. Milan Kovac, the EV maker's vice president of engineering and head of its TeslaBot program, has stepped down, citing personal reasons. On the X social media platform, he emphasized it's to spend more time with his family abroad. He reaffirmed his ongoing support for Elon Musk and Tesla, and insisted it would have no impact on development timelines. According to the Wall Street Journal, Kovac began at Tesla in 2016 on its autopilot team and took over Optimus in 2022. Reports indicate that Ashok Elaswamy, Tesla's autopilot lead, is stepping in to oversee Optimus. Kovac is leaving at a critical juncture as Tesla aims to manufacture at least 5,000 Optimus humanoids in 2025. Musk has said he believes the robot will become Tesla's most popular offering by far. Shortly before Kovac departed, he unveiled a new breakthrough that unlocked the ability for Optimus humanoids to learn complex tasks directly from internet videos of people performing them. For more on that, check the related video.